It's a great question to figure out whether or not there are unbiased media outlets. And the truth is, it's really hard to point to one and say, finally, we have found an unbiased media outlet. Because for any media outlet out there, there are going to be people who perceive that outlet as articulating views that are hostile to their beliefs. So people will see any media outlet and say, that's biased against my political perspective. Even though we might not be able to point to an outlet as being unbiased, we still should care, because what this means is that when people are looking at media outlets that match their beliefs, they might see that outlet as being relatively unbiased, even though the other side might see that outlet as being extremely biased. So we should care because this leads people to look at outlets that match what they believe on both sides of the political spectrum and believe that those outlets are relatively fair purveyors of truth. I think that partisan media both help and hurt democracy. On the helpful side, partisan media engage the public. It's really invigorating and energizing when you see someone articulating beliefs with which you believe and articulating them with passion. So this can help people to participate politically. These sources also help to make sense of a really complex world of politics. So when you're looking at a source that's articulating a partisan perspective, you realize, oh, this is what side one believes, this is what side two might happen to believe. So in that sense, partisan media are doing a great service to us democratically. However, there are also some downsides to partisan media in the sense that they can lead people to hold more polarized political beliefs. So if you believe on side X and you're watching media outlets that convey a similar perspective, that can really lead you to believe that your side is correct and that the other side really doesn't have that much to offer. So if we have people polarizing in their political views, and if we have people believing that very different issues are important and in need of solving, that can lead to some difficult times for the citizenry in terms of negotiating